My name is Isaac Coco. I am a Year 10 student at Columbia College. I am currently part of the Liggins Institute Student Scientist Mentor Program. My project is called Computers Can Talk. The purpose of my project was to research which of the two groups, one consisting of high users and one of low users of social networking, is able to communicate better face-to-face. I came up with this idea after brainstorming with my mentors, where we discussed what my interests were, what I spent a lot of time doing, as well as what was making international headlines: suicidal bombers in the Middle East, shootings in schools in the States, and the involvement of the internet in these. From here I had to research to come up with a question that could actually be measured. Communicate, live in a group, and have social interactions has helped our species evolve and survive. Over the last 10 years, there has been a dramatic increase in the use of social networks. 78% of New Zealanders use the internet for various reasons. Also, it has become more common for younger people to use social networking. I want to see if this use of this new way of using social networks has affected the way in which we communicate. To be able to find this out, I had to develop a survey that would provide information about the participants' internet usage. So I could define who was the high users and the low users, as well as providing other information. For example, their access to computers, the amount of time they spent communicating face-to-face, social networking, and emailing or text messaging. At this stage, I needed to complete the paperwork required for human ethics approval. Information about my research project had to be given to the participants. Parents and school principals signed consent from all of them. 2 tests were designed to measure the effect of social networking usage on how well the teenagers communicate. The first test was based upon a test that was used in previous research. The participants were given 3 email messages that were all the same, but one had emoticons, one was written in capital letters, and the other one was neutral. They were asked to read these, and then they were then asked about what they thought the sender was like. The second test needed to measure if social networks usage impacted on how people communicate face-to-face. To do this, I designed my own test where the participants were given a problem and then they had to talk about it to someone else. This was recorded and then analyzed to find out how well they communicated. My results showed that there was no difference in my video data results between the high and low users, as they are very similar in how much eye contact they made. The percentage of eye contact made and how many times they initiated the conversation. Data from my perceptions to emails test has shown that low users have a more positive response to the 3 emails than the higher users, but the difference between some of the responses to my emails isn't that much. I have found that the CAPS email has a negative response from the high users, in contrast to the low users, which are more positive. There are some obstacles that were faced, and this included organizing equipment, getting facilities, getting participants to take part of my investigation, having other commitments to work around so I could do my project, and at times being unable to access my project at home so it could be completed earlier. Completing this investigation gave me the ability to plan, carry out, and write up scientific report. My knowledge of social networking has increased, as well as my interest in science. My time management, project management, and communication skills have greatly improved. I have enjoyed discussing and sharing ideas with scientists and teachers, and gained on understanding of scientists' work. In future, I am interested in carrying out further research into how human development is changing or being affected by changes in our modern world. I am also interested in doing a topic related to astronomy.